Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you know, I just revealed my R1250GS recently, and I just thought I'd let you know that there's a bunch of mods I'd like to do to it. And starting with the exhaust, what I have here is the Acropolis Exhaust, which I'll be installing. And then I'll be installing the Lone Rider headlamp protector. I've also bought Lone Rider, I think they're 4-liter bags or 3-liter bags, accessory bags. Installing the Denali D4s and Denali Can Smart, so I can control the lights and the horn. And the Denali horn, putting that on as well. And I bought this little kickstand, and larger. It says 1200GS, but it's actually 1250GS. I bought a giant loop fuel bag going on a long trip starting in May 14th. So I'll be doing that pretty soon. I bought this Fender Extender, and I'll be putting the locations of where I found these in the description. So what else we have here? We have Radiator Guards, made of nice stainless steel and aluminum. I bought some clutch and brake cables. They're the ones that compress or fold on impact. Handlebar bag by Lone Rider. And when I bought my bike, I got a $500 accessory coupon, so I bought these frame bags as well. So those are the things I'm putting on the bike. Hopefully I'll be doing that in the next couple of months, so stay tuned for the install videos. And yeah, apart from that, that's all we have. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.